Career cinematic, emotionally powerful, radio ready, global pop anthem with world-class production. Power J. A timeless song of emotion that connects listeners from every country, culture, and generation. The music should feel unforgettable and inspire repeated listening. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Simple, clear English that non-native speakers can easily understand. Start intimate and emotional. Belgrade gets into a massive, a blending it for a chorus, then we the Kelly and G makes me 20%, 40%, 70%, 100% emotional outro. G major. Time signature. 4/4. Must be completely original. Avoid religion, violence, hate, profanity, brand names, correct terms, vocabulary, negative ending. Learn emotional, it's first lead vocal with natural breathing and violence. Layered harmonies in the chorus, steep in slid verses. Cinematic drum sessions. Softer pressuring intro. Moderate pop groove. Big somatic drums in chorus. Large depression layer with electronic drums. Warm sub bass. Clean low end. Enani grooving. Easy to remember. Emotionally third. Strong hook. Kensha chorus that listeners can sing after hearing once.